Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to do this effect. First, you have to record this scene. Next, open the KineMaster, new project, select 16:9 ratio, select media, import the video that you recorded, click settings, fit in screen. Okay, capture this, capture frame and insert right of the clip. Here, let's find the frame we want to cut out. Okay, scissors, trim to right of playhead, then capture and save frame at playhead. Minimize the KineMaster app. Open the background eraser app to remove the background of the frame that we captured. Once the background are completely erased, let's save it and then back to the KineMaster and import that image. Yes. Okay, let's resize that exactly in the frame. By clicking this key icon and click this, and you have to drag this image. Now let's play. Okay, you have to cut this out. Scissors, trim to right of playhead. Now we need to import again this background that we captured. Select split screen and select this. Resize. Okay. Alright. Now, next we're going to add the water effect. Chroma key to erase this black background. Okay. And then color filter. Okay. Alright. Now let's play. Alright. looks like all are set. Then we need to save this video by clicking this and then export. So let's play our work. Alright, that's all guys. Thank you for watching.